We often wish to live outdoors and close to nature, with our loved ones. Especially during the winter. And we are here to make that easy for you with some amazing gadgets to ensure utmost Zen experience, keeping the basics right and away from everything but nature and cold winter. Enjoy! Flicker YF Quilt Sleeping Bag. The Flicker is created to achieve maximum comfort and versatility without compromising on weight. What makes it special is its all-weather water-resistant and breathable protects Quantum 20 denier fabric. This also helps the overall lineup lightweight, so it's easy to carry inside the bag and set it up. But once you unzip the quilt, it functions as a large quilt on warmer nights and is wide enough to cover 2 adults in a pinch. Lastly, the 100% nylon Protects Quantum shell uses yarns with unique Y-shaped filaments that increase downproofing and water-beating properties, making the YF long-lasting even after years of use and washing. Evo Trail Snowshoes. Conquer snowy landscapes with confidence and comfort, courtesy of the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoes. Their robust unibody frames, crafted from a single piece of aluminum, ensure unwavering strength and stability throughout your winter journey. Bite into icy slopes with ease thanks to the integrated steel traction rails, providing exceptional grip on even the most challenging terrain. Their intuitive design allows for effortless adjustments and a secure, pressure-free fit, regardless of your footwear choice. Whether you're traversing flat terrain or tackling uphill climbs, the pressure-free stretch mesh conforms to your foot shape for enduring comfort. For winter enthusiasts seeking a comfortable, versatile, and incredibly durable companion for their snowy adventures, look no further than the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoes. Embrace the beauty of winter and explore the frozen landscapes with confidence and ease. Tracker Osmo. With a blend of technical features and a nimble flexibility, Tracker is one of the most versatile, ultralight tent available on the market right now. Featuring an asymmetrical design and volumizing fly bar pole clip, Tracker is a shelter for both warmer days as well as later in the fall when a snow squall can catch you by surprise. This technique boasts impressive interior volume at the head of the tent without suffering any weight penalty. All these features also make a great choice for hunters willing to go as far as their target takes them. Tracker tents can handle inclement weather because of the durable fabrics, silicone-coated floor, and full coverage rain fly with ease. The asymmetrical footprint also equates to roomy vestibule storage that's further enhanced by the included landing zone, a trademark removable, waterproof gear tub. Zenger Superbase V. This is the Superbase 5, the most technologically advanced power station from Zenger to electrify your adventure. The first thing everyone will like about this one is its clean and smooth design reflecting minimalism, while its robust build quality makes it perfect for carrying over those bumpy trails. But what's even more interesting is this one's damn powerful with a 6.4 kilowatt-hour battery, which can be increased up to 64 kilowatt-hours with additional detachable batteries. This tremendous power will keep everyone from being drained throughout the multiple days of adventure. And yeah, its semi-solid-state battery is the first in the industry, making the Superbase 5 stand out among others. Gen Stove. Next up, Gen Stove is an innovative cooking device that can also generate electricity naturally while cooking food. Isn't it cool? Stronger electricity can be obtained simply and easily than existing electricity-generating stoves, and the generated energy is stored in a separable multi-charging pack. So, you don't have to kill your head looking for electricity to charge or run your devices. Just sit back, cook delicious food, and the Gen Stove will take care of the rest. That Gun Stove, introducing the world to a brand new way of harvesting electricity. Gen Stove just make cooking so easy even in the most remote areas without any inconveniences such as battery or wood. At the same time, charge your smartphones, Bluetooth speakers, and LED lights, anytime, anywhere. Go Sun Flow Pro. The Flow Pro is a must. After all, there is no alternative to pure drinking water. The GoSun Flow Pro is a small water purifying device that easily fits inside any backpack and uses solar energy to pump water. In fact, it is a gem to have, especially outdoors where water is both scarce and impure. But that's not all about it. The Flow Pro is very versatile at the same time, as it can function as a portable hand-washing station, clean drinking water, and portable shower. On top of all these features, there is a solar panel to save power, making the Flow Pro a must for outdoors. Vango Comfort 10 Grande. Designed with a soft touch and a durable non-slip base, this luxurious Vango Comfort 10 Grande is a self-inflating sleeping mat that cannot go wrong. Vango Comfort 10 can provide a good night's sleep of pure comfort and convenience while touring. Carrying it around is child's play. Deflate the mat, then roll it over thoroughly to fit inside any bag. So, that was the list of 7 awesome camping gadgets. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comment section, and please share this video if you find it helpful.